Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Instagram account. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to go to the Instagram and then go to your profile and then click on three dots, then click on settings, and then here you can see help. Then you have to just click on help center, and after going to the help center you have to click on delete. Sorry, should delete my account. Here it is, delete my account. And here, how do I delete my Instagram account? Here you can see delete your account. You have to click on that only. Click on delete. And then why do you want to delete your account? Then you have to give it the reason, something else, and then you have to just give the password. Like I'm typing my password, and then you have to click on delete, and then your account will be deleted permanently. That's it guys, that's how you can delete your Instagram account. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.